things to do like eat cake.
Excuse me, you're just leaving.
Poof off, I said I got to eat cake.
As I was saying, you're just leaving a weed there to destroy the other plants around it.
Who ordered a promise?